Y'all see this box right here? We have something good in it. Let me show you. So funny enough, this is something I've actually wanted for a long time, but never made the investment in. Just a little carbon fiber gas cap, no big deal. It's full blown carbon fibre. It's just literally, look how thin it is though. It's literally just like a stick-on piece. So yeah, 3M it, 3M right there, and you just stick it on. See how it fits. Might be upside down. Boom. Not the best fitment in the world. Actually, yeah, it ain't the best fitment in the world because it's kind of like popping out from being so thin. But I think if I just bend it back the other way and stick it down, should be good to go. Now, did I put too much tape? Probably so. But the perk of putting too much 3M tape means you didn't put too little 3M tape, which means I'd rather it be super stuck on there than it actually having a chance of falling off, you know what I mean? Because 3M tape's good, but yeah, I don't know how it's gonna stick, so I'm gonna stick this puppy on and we'll find out. And we also have to get this puppy mounted on to the duckbill trunk. Yes, it's still the duckbill trunk. We need to get that thing mounted. I still have these door cards I need to post for sale. I never posted those. I have so much shit. Extra exhaust right here. But either way, this thing needs to get put on. Voltex wing needs to get mounted. Okay, it looks really, really good. Fitment isn't perfect. It's like, that's not a gap right there. It's just popping up right here on the bottom. So what I'm probably gonna do is go inside and get my clamps, bring them down here and just clamp it down right there so the tape sticks better. The one good thing about using 3M tape on this thing is that if I don't think it's sticking well enough, well, I can rip it off and put some stronger tape. Or I could just, I guess I could JB weld it on there, but I'm not gonna do that. Definitely not gonna do that. Because then if I don't like it, whenever I wanna take it off, I'm gonna have to get a whole new cap and this thing will break and I'd rather not break that, so. That's not a bad idea actually. I should buy an extra gas cap and JB weld this to the extra gas cap. Like I could paint it black and JB weld this to it. That's not a bad idea. But no, it fits pretty well. Like I said, it's just, this needs to stay down more. It's super hot in my garage right now, but funny enough is I got that gas cap for like 40 bucks. Carbon fiber gas cap, 40 bucks. Oh my lord, there goes my camera. You can see, look at it right here, check this out. It kind of pops up a little bit right there if you want to find a flaw in it. Again, that's something that could just be pressed down, but it's not too bad, so I'm glad this is wrapped teal. Like I was saying, 40 bucks for the gas cap. I found it on an eBay special. I'm not gonna lie, it was an eBay special, which is probably why it's so thin, but fits well. It does fit. Being a $40 full carbon fiber gas cap, fits pretty damn well. It was on sale, that's why it was 40 bucks. I mean, if you look on eBay, most of them are anywhere from like 60 to 80-ish, but I somehow came across this one for 40 and I was like, what do I have to lose? It was already in California. It's not from China. They might have ordered it from China or something and then shipped it to their California warehouse, but it was already in California. It took like 2 days to get here, so I can't complain. $40 after taxes and free shipping, my friends. So I just took a chance on it and shit, I'm happy. Honestly, I am very happy with that carbon fiber quality. And you saw the backside, it's full carbon. To go with the carbon wing as soon as this thing goes back on. Look at all that carbon fibre. Beautiful. Beautiful. You see, this doesn't look carbon, obviously this is carbon when it focuses. Full carbon fibre. Go with the roofing, that needs to be sanded and re-cleared. We have the old carbon trunk that I am currently have for sale. I mean, if anyone wants this, hit me up. I'm selling it super cheap because, as I indicated in my description, it is not in the best of shape. It's got 8 holes drilled in it. But as we all know, you could always just lay a fresh piece of carbon over this, put some new epoxy, which I'm considering doing, is re-skinning this with fresh carbon and then potentially trying to resell it for a lot more, but I don't know if I want to do all that. Honestly, I don't know if I really want to. So at least if I do that, it'll cover up all the holes too, so at least people with more options, you know what I mean? Like, If you don't want to run a wing on this, you don't have to. I don't know. We'll see. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, well, then I will reskin it and post it again.
Hey, what your name? Don't get my ratchet nails.
Oh shit, my bad. Don't show the nail. Block that. We got our helper today. You know, I said at the end of the last video, we're waiting for our helper. He's here! But for those of you that don't have a helper in your life, I'm gonna show you how to mount a wing by yourself. I mean, she's here, so I'm just gonna utilize her, but all you need is this. Ready, Snickers? Show them how to do it.
What are we doing?
Oh my god! What are we doing? I'm gonna show the people. Oh fuck, my camera's stay up. Show the people how to fucking mount a wing. Whatever, I don't need it. All we gotta do, I don't need to stand it up. Look at this. Watch this shit. We stand this fucker up. You get your Snickers to hold it up like that. Okay. Now look it. Got the wing standing up. That bolt to this bolt, 44.5 inches, which means the wing gap is 44.5 inches. So if Snickers wasn't here, what I would do, and what I'm still gonna do, is I'm gonna I put these bolts on, tighten them up. Oh, if I just get the focus. So I put the 4 bolts on, upside down obviously, tighten them up, and now we have our gap measured. That way it's nice and sturdy. So the gap is measured. I'm gonna pull this off, pull these bolts off, tape these down to the trunk 44.5 inches apart, and pray for a miracle, ladies and gentlemen, because we're drilling once and we ain't going back. Ain't no going back after this shit. It looks so pretty. And that looks so pretty. So much carbon. I'm excited. Now when you're doing this, don't be a dumbass like me and keep moving everything. You know, I kept nudging this and moving it, but that's pretty solid, I believe. We have about an inch from hole to trunk. We have about an inch from hole to trunk. Come on over to the other side, my friends. We have about an inch from hole to trunk. And we have about, oh, this one might scoot over a little bit. Let me scoot on just a little bit. We have an inch from hole to trunk. This one's a little bit under, so I'm going to move that side a little bit. Okay, so let's scoot this one over just a hair. Woo! Ah! Woo! The deed is done. No going back now. There's literally no going back. Ah! Ah! The cringe I'm feeling right now. Ah! Dude, it feels so wrong.
Crunch.
Ah! All I hear is crunch, crunch.
Crunch, crunch.
Ah, crunch. Ah. Perfect. Well, Crunch friends, that was intimidating to say the least, because we just bought this brand new trunk and just drilled some nice holes into it. So let's see our handiwork. Pulling the tape off, pulling the brackets off, and we will see how our... I trust my own skills to yellow it though. And again, it's over the wrap. If it was just drilling over pure carbon, I would have put some tape over it and wouldn't have drilled on the carbon itself, because the fucking drill bit would just slip. So if you don't know what you're doing, drill over tape. Do not drill over bare carbon. You will not have a fun time. The bit will slip and you will be pissed. Oh yeah, we use a small bit first, obviously, for a pilot hole. But we'll follow it up with a big one right now. I just want to get the trunk open and see where exactly these holes ended up. That's a solid fucking spot. Look at that. So they'll all be lined up right here, which means I can get a bolt right through. It is, pretty damn good. Well, let's hope the rest come out like that. That, my friends, is why you measure 14,000 times and drill once. It is on. I only put 2 bolts on each side right now. I'm gonna put the other 2 in still, but it went on very, very easily. So Perfect gapped on this side. Perfectly gapped on this side. Ah! So, pretty happy with the result so far. Now that I got the wing back on with the duckbill trunk. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the wrap on there. I'm still debating whether I want to do it or not. I might end up taking it off, but right now, I'm digging the color match look, color matched with the wing. So, carbon, 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 carbon everywhere. Just missing fenders. Let me put the rest of these bolts on. Finished product, my friends. Bolt fits, bolt fits, bolt fits. Bolt's slightly too short on this one. Here's why. There's a little hump right here, but the hump right here is even steeper. So the bolt barely doesn't reach. So I'm gonna get some longer ones and most likely get some in black. So they could be kind of hidden, but if you look underneath, you can see the nice duckbill. I already ordered the vinyl to replace this piece because this is fucking hideous. That line bugs the shit out of me, so I really did order another piece of vinyl. We got the same thing over here. One bolt that doesn't reach, bolt reaches, bolt reaches, bolt reaches. And we are set. Look at my messy trunk setup right now. But we are set, my friends. Oh, foot. Ah! What do you have to say to everyone, buddy? You don't want to be on camera? Why are you being camera shy, dude? You always want the light on you. Look at him. Look at him. Say hi to everybody. Actually, say bye to everyone because we're closing out right now, dude. But in the next video, we are doing something very good. And there's a reason I didn't show the front of the car because we have some front end stuff coming next video, which will be great. All of this is in prep for Subi Fest, which is, what's today's date? 2 weeks away. 2 weeks away from Subi Fest, California. Pretty excited. I haven't been to Subi Fest in years. Last time I went to Subi Fest was literally the last time I made a video there, which is 2021. Yeah, I'm actually wearing the shirt right now. This was, I swear, this was not planned. I just so happened to be wearing this shirt today. But this car is turning out exactly how I wanted it to. I'm happy with it. I'm very excited for what's to come, what to show you what is next in the next episode, followed by I don't know what else we're doing today. I'm going to restore my headlights today for sure. We are restoring my headlights today. This is what's going to be recorded for the next episode. Headlights are being restored. Nikki's car is getting a lot of work done. We're finally chopping things up on that thing and piecing stuff together. Hint, hint, if you want to. I don't think anyone's really going to grasp that, but we're chopping stuff up and putting stuff together, so that'll be fun. Her car's getting the love today. Mine's only getting a little bit of love. But still, next episode you will see the new friend and pieced. But until then, I am going to go eat pancakes because I'm hungry. I'm going to go work on her car. And then I will probably play League. Let's see. There's my League. I will probably play League later. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys again next week. I'm staying consistent now. I look for videos every Sunday. I'm going to be consistent. Mark my words, my friends. See you next Sunday. Goodbye.
Not gonna use my fan base to spread some damn fake feelings. I can't take the trend, so I'm man, make amends to my steps. Stand faithful and faith I get, so it's hate.